Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Currency appreciation is a key concept in global economics that you can master quickly. Let's dive into this problem and find the correct answer together. Currency appreciation occurs when the value of one currency increases relative to another. This means you can buy more foreign money with the same amount of your local currency than before. Option B describes the Japanese yen becoming worth more American dollars than it was last month. This is a perfect example of a currency gaining value against another in the market. Other options describe increases in income or productivity, which are different economic factors. Therefore, option B is the only choice that correctly shows currency appreciation. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Trust the given data and check steps.